Hey guys, Audi 555 here. Today we're at the Sydney Motorcycle Show here at the Sydney Convention Centre, so let's go and check it out. So I'm pretty excited to go and check out the Benelli TNT 125. It's a pretty cool bike, and it's in my opinion, a Grom competitor. So let's go and check that out. So that's an awesome bike, and I do love that bike. Alright, let's go and check out what else is here. There's certainly a lot of bikes and things bike related to have a look at here, so definitely worth my time coming. I know a lot of you guys ride MT-07s, MT-09s, MT-10s, so have a look at these models. Here's a bike that Fat Cruiser would like. Someone's knocked the price off this bike. Nah, it's got a stand underneath.
Oh, where are we going?
Wow, you could be full on surfer hipster with this bike. Have a look there, there's an Indian motorcycle. Really cool finish on that scooter. These aren't motorcycles. Would be fun to ride though, just like a bike I would imagine. Oh, now we're in the fun zone where all the Honda bikes are. Oh, check out the Groms! So the Groms are in the new colours for 2017/2018. I don't see any NC750Xs, that would have been nice to see at the show. but yeah, it's only relatively new in Australia, so they wouldn't have that many. Check out all the Harleys. Check out these bikes here. Here's one for all your Kiwi vloggers. Bring your own bike. You all know that you guys want to check out this bike. Now that is one cool looking bike. That's a cool Smurf. Alright, let's check out these Ducatis. If I was to buy a Ducati, I would buy this one. There's no real point for me because my bike looks very similar to that already, so yeah. So they're electric stunt bikes. Video guys, as usual, keep safe out there on the road, stay on two wheels and nod your head. Hopefully you've enjoyed this Sydney's motorcycle show, so I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Laters. Whoa, I just saw something really shocking. Shock absorber.